Welcome to the modded APK of Strict Cricket Live. Today I am going to show how to get unlimited coins and gems in Strict Cricket Live game without rooting your phone. So this is a modded APK which contains 200 crore plus coins and 200 crore plus gems, as you can see now, and there is no need to root your phone to get this deal. So generally the Stick Cricket developer expects you to buy offers for real cash. For example, even for 1000 rupees, if you are ready to pay in, you are going to get only 35 cards, 1.5 million coins, 17k gems only. But now, for free, you are going to get 200 crore plus coins and gems. The benefit of these coins and gems is multifold. Firstly, you can go to the store, you can go to the kit bags, you can buy extra kit bags for gems. So when you open these bags, you are going to see cards for the multiple bowlers, batsmen. So if you keep on doing this opening of bag regularly using this 200 crore plus gems, you are sure to unlock all good bowlers with high edge bowling capabilities. Secondly, once you get these bowlers, you have to purchase those bowlers using the cards. For example, you should go to the cards section. For example, wrist spinner Triforce bat is there using 5k coins. So earlier this, see, you can see 48 by 5. These 48 are the cards we have obtained by using gems, using extra kickbacks. Now using coins we have to upgrade them. See, 15k is needed, 40k. It's very difficult just by playing, and if you are able to win some 50 rupees or say 3000 or 6000 in the beginning level stadiums, to get up to a level you are able to upgrade a bat to level 6. So you can upgrade all these bats and balls till level 10. So for now, if I have to collect remaining cards for the Triforce, and next if I want to upgrade to level 7, I need 100k coins. So if you have want 100k coins, means you have to play in higher level stadiums, and if you want to play in higher level stadiums, the entry fee is larger. For example, in Stadium 4 entry fee is only 3k, in Stadium 5 it is 10k, in Stadium 6 London it is 30k, in Stadium 7 Dubai it is 1 lakh, in Stadium 8 it is few lakhs of rupees, say 5 lakhs. It's very difficult. If you just lose one game also, your entire money will be gone. So with this unlimited coins and gems, you can play with ease and also win the opponent with ease. So you might have some concerns that this APK might contain some bloatware, adware, malware, spyware, Trojan horse, viruses, but it is completely safe. As a proof, as you can see here, I have also installed AVJ antivirus with real-time protection as turned on. So it did not detect any issues with this app. If you have any doubt, you can also install AVJ or any Norton or Bitdefender or Avast or any other free or premium antivirus software from Play Store, just to be on safe side if you have any doubts. Furthermore, this is a live game, this is not fake. As you can see, internet is also on. This is completely real. You can go to store, you can say, for example, you can want to purchase cards. Yes, you want to purchase cards for this bat. Yes, you can purchase because you are having 200 crore plus gems. After upgrading your cards, you want to unlock them by purchasing. Yes, you can go to the card section, you have 200 crore plus coins, 40k is just a small thing. So if you want any further proof, I am going to play a live game now. I am not going to play all the 3 overs, only 1 over I will be playing, just to show you that this is not fake, this is 100% real and safe, and it is working. So as you can see, he is a real opponent. I don't know him, system has only chosen him, but it is a live game for sure. So you can watch me playing also. This is not any graphics I am doing, or I am editing some images in the paint to show more number of coins. It is 100% true, real working tricks or will only be shared in our channel. So do subscribe to our channel if you like the video. Don't forget to share. So as you can see here, the timer is also running. It's not any graphics, or I did not do any changes in the Adobe Photoshop. It's a live game I am playing. Nor is it any mod APK in which some modding is done with a private server. No, it works with the Stick Cricket live server only. And coming to the gameplay, no changes or hacking is done to the gameplay. The only change that has been done is the coins have been changed, that's all. Ideally, when you start a new game, maybe you would be starting with only 500 coins and 100 gems. Instead of that, a boost is given in the terms of number of coins and gems only. No hack has been performed in the gameplay, so that you will not become out, you will always win, or even if you don't play you can win. Such type of things are not done. So because such things might kill your enthusiasm, so I will be providing the description link to download this mod APK in the description below. Do check it out.